used to nanny and look after special needs children. I was also a registered childminder on the estate by where I live. And then I had to unfortunately give it up due to having a spine condition. And then I just heard about the courses that were here. At first I didn't really want to do it because I just thought, you know, it'd be a bit awkward with the kids. And I finally did come because I came with a couple of friends, and then we just found out that basically you could do it from home, which was so much easier.
She was one of the ones who came along with her friends, a couple of friends, and was really determined. You know, you could tell she was really serious about it. She got her application form in, her registration form in really quickly, and had got all the paperwork there and just wanted to just go for it, you know. I think she was just ready to take on the learning. The
first one I did was just an introduction to psychology, which was called Starting with Psychology, and something I've always been interested in, but I'll be honest with you, I thought, gosh, a bit beyond me, I'm not really sure if I'll be able to do it.
She went from the openings course, the initial 20-week course, to then decide she wanted to do the psychology degree and move on again. So I think just really grew in confidence.
I've always worked with children, and because of my spine condition I can't run around after them anymore like I used to as a childminder or nursery nurse or a nanny or anything other previous. And with psychology I just thought that I could sort of put it together to work again with children later on when I actually get my degree.
Getting back into studying has almost sort of realised that her life isn't written off. You know, she's actually got an opportunity now to forge a career for herself, you know, as the children are getting older and things as well, rather than just thinking, you know, yeah, that's it, that's me done.
Hopefully by the time I've actually finished my courses themselves, my son will be old enough to go to the older school, so I actually won't need to have babysitters. And then I will actually hopefully then become an educational psychologist to work with children, which is really what I want to do.
You really deserve this. Congratulations. You've been an inspiration both to your children and to the wider community here. And I think, you know, well done. Fantastic.
It's really nice to know that this is like something that I've, you know, attained in my life. I've never done anything like that before. And I've definitely never won anything in my life before. So, but it's nice because hopefully that I can inspire others to do it as well as myself. So it's really good.